Hello, it's Bar from Nature Manufacturer. I will show you our Modular Castle and Dungeon pack at Unity built-in. So first of all, we import pack to our project and go to the demo scene and see how it looks out of the box. And we see that the scene render pretty flat and the reflections are not correct. They are a bit messed. It's because the scene use multiple reflection pops and we have to use deferred rendering. So we go to options, graphics, and we change the rendering to deferred, and we see that reflection props are okay. And of course, this will also improve our FPS at scene because basically forward rendering does not support multiple lights and reflection props at the scene. I mean, it's really slow in the setup. So if scene is pretty complex and use multiple lights and reflection props, it should use deferred rendering. So yeah, that's the first thing that we have to change. The second thing is that rendering is still pretty flat. And the first thing is that you have to use linear render because the whole rendering is whole materials have been set up for linear render. And the second thing is that we should import post-processing. To do this, we go to the package manager and we go to the Unity registry and import post-processing package from Unity. And now the scene will start to look as it should. The whole contrast and the emission from lava, which comes from bloom post-process, start to work. Now we see the scene looks properly, everything is just fine. Another thing to consider is light map resolution. We sent packet with resolution 9 pixels per meter, and it's a bit low for this scene. First of all, we advise to set up this resolution to 4 and bake the light map with this resolution just to build GI cache related to the scene, and then change it to 12, which is the final resolution, which we think that match the scene. I mean, you don't need more pixels because interiors have, for example, double of this value, while the exterior objects have around 12 pixels in this setup. Do not forget to use and bake occlusion cooling if you change something, because in fact we have a scene with interiors and exterior objects at the same time. So without occlusion cooling, you will simply render everything inside the building, even if you would be far from it. So you will simply render behind the walls. And yeah, that could cost a lot of GPU power. So remember about occlusion cooling. About the overview scene, you could notice that there is a 1,300 prefabs, which you could visit here from, terrain layers, walls, small object columns, up to tower parts or even building parts. You could build totally your own environment using these prefabs, or you could inspire by them and build own prefabs. I hope you will enjoy that. We are going to add more prefabs, more complex prefabs like buildings. So yeah, see you soon.